cleaning my dirty refrigerator. Yeah, I'm gonna do one shelf at a time, and this right here is an experiment that went wrong. Very wrong. I know this is crazy Looney Tunes, but this is the way that I roll. I don't like to waste anything. And look, it actually might. It might have good stuff inside. Most of you, I'm sure. Let me know in the comments if you're like me and would save something like this. It has some good to it, so I just forgot about it. It was behind things, and so sadly I let part of it anyway go to waste, and I could have fermented it. That's what I was gonna do with it. I was gonna make sauerkraut, and I might get some more and make sauerkraut with this and that and the new stuff. But anyway, yeah, the center is bad, but the outside was pretty bad. This is me. This is my version of cleaning out my fridge. Okay, so I smelled it. It smells fine. It doesn't smell moldy. And if I ferment it, it'll protect from, you know, going bad. I'm keeping the core because you can ferment the core. And all you gotta do for sauerkraut is, some people think you need a crock and all that stuff, but I learned how to do it in a mason jar, and it's really, or mason jars. The last time I did it from our garden, and we had a lot of purple cabbage. So I actually did purple cabbage sauerkraut, and it was amazing. So I'm just rinsing this off good. Take some food over to a friend who just had a baby, to their family. I'm going to make a mushroom stroganoff thing that I think is going to be really yummy, and I just made that cashew cream, but I think I'm going to use coconut cream. I hope I have a can of it. That's the easiest thing to do and less expensive than the cashew cream. So anyway, that's the worst thing on the first shelf, because the rest of the first shelf in my fridge is all nuts. And I mean nuts, like literally nuts. Next thing, I think since I don't have time to do the whole thing, I'm just gonna do a shelf or a portion of the shelf. So I use vinegar spray, which is just diluted vinegar, and a spray bottle, and so it's non-toxic. I like that. And since this is all nuts, except for that cabbage that I stuck up there and forgot about. And this is kale powder. I think the bag broke that it was originally in, so I've got pepitas, I've got psyllium husk. So I'm evaluating what I have here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take inventory of everything that's in my fridge and everything that's in my pantry when I can this week, and I'm going to make menus off of it. I store them in my fridge because oils spoil and nuts have oil. So I keep them in my fridge, and I have quinoa, and since it's just me, and the reason I have all these nuts was originally I was going to make nut bars, homemade, and I was also going to make my own almond milk. So I think I'm going to do some videos. This is encouraging me, guys. My YouTube channel, you guys are encouraging me to get my patootie in gear and do the things I've been thinking about doing. So I thought, so my goal is to do one shelf at a time. And if you're like me and you procrastinate on things, if you just think, you know, little bits and pieces of something, and because and you might not keep your stuff like this in the fridge, but a lot of this stuff really does need to do that. Flax seeds are one that will get rancid, and these are organic whole. And you grind these up. You don't want to buy the ground ones because, while I'm talking, I'm going to shut this because it'll start beeping again. What was it? Oh, flax seeds. Okay, so you don't want to buy ground ones because they'll go bad faster, and also it takes away from the nutritional value. So what you do is you grind them, and I grind mine in my coffee grinder. It works out well. You can clean your coffee grinder periodically with rice. Just put rice in between. Grind up rice and it'll clean out your coffee grinder. I use it for herbs. You can also get 2 coffee grinders. Use one for coffee if you drink coffee all the time. I ground herbs probably more than I do coffee, but flaxseed wouldn't be bad to have in your coffee anyway. Yeah, you want to grind them up as you go, as you need them, and they'll keep longer. And this is blanched almond flour. I'm going to start doing, making gluten-free breads and things like that again. I've been off of making bread for a while, but dogs are sniffing under the door because they think they have opposable thumbs. They think they can help me. They do not have opposable thumbs, and they cannot help me. write down stuff for the day, you know, or the week. Ta-da!